Hey Dosa.
Almost every day.
Daily.
Yes, I eat you almost every day. Yes, I absolutely love eating dosas.
ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும்.
Totally. You are so crispy and easy to cook. And I love to have you with sambar.
It's a perfect nutrition and healthy snack for my family.
Non-stick tawa.
I use a non-stick tawa.
Non-stick tawa, obviously.
Chemical.
What?
What? Are you serious? I did not know that. Cooking is a daily process and I can't take risk with health of my family.
I never knew that non-stick cookware has so much health risk.
அது கண்டிப்பா எனக்கு ஏதாவது ஒரு சொல்யூஷன் வேணும்.
The Indus Valley? No, I haven't heard about it.
Wow.
Wow, this dosa tawa looks quite strong.
Thank you Dosa for sending me this product.
Thank you Dosa.
Thank you Dosa for sending me such amazing product from Indus Valley. Now let's check out more about healthy cookware.
Wow.
Wow, the Indus Valley website has so many amazing products starting from skillets, kadai, saucepan, frying pans, stock pots, etc. which are all made from the material that are 100% food safe.
சூப்பர். நான் இனிமேல் என் கிச்சனுக்கு இண்டஸ் வேலி ப்ராடக்ட்ஸை யூஸ் பண்ண போறேன்.
That's great, right? I'm going to choose only the Indus Valley products for all my kitchen needs.
From now on, I am only choosing from the Indus Valley for my kitchen needs. You should try it too.